Hello friends, in today's video, I will provide you answers of another latest language test of prestigious essay writing website writingcreek.com. After watching this video, you will be able to get a new set of MCQs which can be effective for you in passing your test as well. As you know, in Writing Creek language test, we get new MCQs every time we start taking test. I will keep uploading new videos on different occasions comprising new test MCQs so you can get a whole set of important questions and answers. If you keep watching all of these videos carefully, you will be fully acquainted with all the language test MCQs. So let's come to today's test with answers. The first question of today's test is: Mark had not studied Chinese before he decided to get to work in Hong Kong. Option D is the most appropriate option for this first question. Okay, let's move to question number 2. Choose a line with only non-continuous or stative verbs. I'll make you understand in some other video what are the non-continuous or stative verbs. Okay. So for the second question, we have got the very first option as appropriate and suitable option. Doubt, imply, recognize. Okay, you can read out the rest of 3 options as well. Among all of these 4 options, we have got the first option is as most appropriate option. Okay, let's move to question number 3. Max can't stand paying so much money for the car repair. In this blank option, we have got this word as the most appropriate option. Okay, option C is the most suitable option, paying. Okay, let's come to the question number 4. He may not be very good at sports, but at least he tries hard. Option D is the most suitable option for this blank. Is that clear? Okay, now come to the next question. Having been overworked, Paul went to bed early. This is very important question. Okay, first option is the most suitable choice here. Having been overworked, Paul went to bed early. Okay, let's move to the next question. John has been playing football for 4 years, but he has not scored a goal yet. In this sentence, option D will be the most appropriate option, has been playing. Okay, because this sentence is of present perfect continuous tense. Okay, so we will make the use of has been playing here in this blank option. Is that clear? Let's move to the next question. I don't like either Hawaiian pizza or margherita. They taste disgusting. Option A is the most suitable here for these 2 blank. Okay, either or. Since we have got the first part of the sentence in negative mode, we will make the use of either or for these 2 blank options. Is that clear? So let's move to the next question. Have you seen the cat? I can't find him. Have you checked under the bed? He might hide there. Option D is the best choice here. Might hide would be the most suitable option. Okay, let's move to the next question, question number 9. I am going to the Red Fox Cinema to watch a movie. My favorite actor plays an FBI agent. In these 2 blank options, we have got articles missing here. In the first blank, we will make the use of the as an article, and for the second option, we have got an. So option D is the most appropriate option. Is that clear? That's very important question as well. Now let's move to question number 10. Sam can't stop eating much chocolate and now has health issues. I think she should try to go to the gym. Okay, try out all of these options. Option B is the most appropriate here. Okay, you can read out the rest of all the options as well. So the sentence would be Sam can't stop eating much chocolate and now has health issues. I think she should try to go to the gym. This one is the most appropriate option. Let's move to question number 11. At Halloween, people look for creepiest costumes. The creepier, the better. This one is the most suitable option here for this blank space. Is that clear? Okay, let's move to the next question. It was a tough talk. Her blunt words hurt me, and I did not want to continue our conversation. This is also a very important question. Option A would be the most appropriate choice here. Blunt. That would be the best choice here. Let's move to the next question. Choose a sentence with the correct use of hyphens. It is a top-notch product made of bulletproof glass. This one is the most suitable option. You can read out the rest of three options as well for more clarity. It is a top-notch product made of bulletproof glass. Here, this word is not properly hyphenated. In the third option, it is a top-notch product made of bulletproof glass. In the first part of sentence, this word is not properly hyphenated. So this is not the best option either. So let's come to the last one. It is a top-notch product made of bulletproof glass. In the last sentence, both of the words are not properly hyphenated. Okay, so first option is the most suitable choice here. Let's move to the question number 14. I was able to watch firefighters extinguishing the fire in the house that night. Option B is the most appropriate choice here. Is that clear? Let's move to question number 15. Choose the correct plural forms of nouns, mouse, phenomenon, and ox. Let's try to find out. Under these four options, D would be the most appropriate option. Mice, phenomena, oxen. Let's move to the next question. I speak a little English, so when I am in England, I don't have problems. For this blank option, we have got this one, a little. A little is the most appropriate choice here for this blank option. Is that clear? Okay, let's move to question number 17. James behaved rudely towards the waiter. Katie hadn't taken to him. Taken to is the most appropriate choice here. Let's move to next question. Nowhere are we more vulnerable than when we are beginning to fall in love. Option C is the best choice here. Okay, let's move to question number 19. Kathy is so fashionable. I think she has good taste in clothes. Preposition in would be the most appropriate and best choice for this blank option. Okay, try to read out once again. Kathy is so fashionable. I think she has good taste in clothes. This one is the most appropriate choice. Let's move to the next question. It is the first time she has seen Joe doing the project by himself. Present perfect has been. This one is the most appropriate option for this blank. Is that clear? Option D is the most suitable choice here. Okay, come to the next one. They talk as if they have known each other for ages. First one is the most appropriate and useful option here. As if this one is the most appropriate option. Is that clear? Let's move to question number 22. Choose a sentence with correct punctuation. I ordered a piece of cake at the cafe. It put an end to my diet. That's very, very important. When two independent clauses are joined with the help of semicolon, okay, sometimes we can join two independent clauses with the help of conjunctive adverb, coordinating conjunction and comma. Okay, but at the same time, we can also combine those two independent clauses with the help of only semicolon. Okay, you may find semicolon right here. This one is the semicolon. This is a basic simple rule. When we combine two closely related independent clauses, we have to make the use of comma with the coordinating conjunction, or we can also combine those clauses with the help of only semicolon as well. Is that clear? Okay, let's move to the next question. Sam will text you when he finishes cleaning his car. This is the first conditional. In the first conditional sentence, in the conditional part, we make the use of simple future. You can simply say future indefinite will be used in the conditional clause. In the first clause. In the remaining part of sentence, we make the use of present indefinite or simple present. In other words, you can say in first conditional sentence, we make the use of simple present or present indefinite in the conditional clause. And in the remaining part of sentence, we have to make the use of simple future. Here you can find out these two parts or classes in this compound sentence. This is first conditional sentence. The second part of sentence is conditional clause. When he finishes cleaning his car. Okay, we have to make the use of present indefinite in conditional clause, but in the remaining part of sentence, we have to make the use of future indefinite. Is that clear? Let's move to the next question. That would be the last question, 24. I would rather take a nap now than keep working with this terrible headache. That's also very, very important sentence. Okay. Option A would be the most suitable choice here. That was today's test. You must watch this video once again carefully so that you may get your ideas cleared. I will try to upload videos most frequently with some new tests and answers. Wish you all the best.